Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彤。
我係 Joseph Ling. And as you know, this month is Chinese New Year month. 这个月2月呢，就是我们所谓的要过年月了，对不对？
臭啊！
哎，好快哦，时間過得1年就過去了。
你要老一些。
That's right. I have grown wiser. One more year. Time is flying by real fast. Anyways, since it is the Chinese New Year month, I think we need to dedicate a few episodes right here to talk about, certain things that we do during Chinese New Year and certain terms. And perhaps the Hakka have certain ways of celebrating Chinese New Year, and we'd like to discuss it with you. Okay. Well, why don't we first start off with how to prepare for Chinese New Year? 其实中国人呢，就是为了农历新年呢，都会准备很多东西，对不对？
攀年貨。
攀年貨什麼東西？怕惹火嗎？攀年貨。
攀年貨。
攀年貨。
要辦年貨。
辦年貨. That's
Yeah.
right. That means prepare for New Year goods. All right. There's a lot of delicacies and food that you need to prepare and store up because it's going to be a long vacation. 好，就是辦年貨。攀
年貨。
攀年貨. Okay. And then a few things that the Chinese like to prepare for, especially meats, include chicken, duck, goose, fish, and a sweet cake, which is called 甜板. 怎麼講？給，這是雞嗎？That's chicken. 鴨 up. That's duck. Goose 鵝 Okay, 鵝 that's duck. 魚呢 fish. 跟是魚。
嘿，錯。
還有什麼嗎？大概就這樣。哦，還有年糕啊。所謂的甜板。甜板. Okay, so those are a few things that you would find very common. So let's review those terms, all right? To prepare for the New Year goods, 辦年貨. 攀年貨. And some things you might want to buy include chicken, 雞. 給. Duck, 鴨. Up. 鵝 goose. 鵝. Okay, and then 魚 fish. See, I remember that. After is One is duck, one is fish. And finally, a sweet cake. 甜板. So there you have it. And may you have a happy Chinese New Year. That's all for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.